Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here I am presenting another flagship project, landmark project. Whatever the beautiful word and aggressive words are coming in your mind, you can use that. So this is 100 acres of development. It is mix of commercial and your residential developments. So coming to the location of the project, it's on the Sarjapur main road. Mostly from Decathlon hardly will be 2 kilometers. And this is 100 acres of development. Out of 100 acres, 70 acres will be the residential part and 30 acres with the commercial part. So coming to the commercial part, here will be in 30 acres of area, 10 acres will be the shopping mall, and one 5-star hotel will come into that, and the IT park spaces will be there. And now for the residential most attractive thing, in 70 acres of area, there are 35 acres of area which is untouched land. Untouched means we are not touching the ground. It will be unbreakable grounds, and we will plant already you can see, if you can notice that already the natural plants are there inside the project, which we are going to mostly 80% we are going to the retain for that. We will not make any podium into this project. So and in the terms of open space, around 80% will be the open space into this project. There will be 3 basements and ground plus 34-story towers. There will be no common walls, only 4 apartments per floor. All will be corner apartments, and every apartment has at least the beautiful view. There is no any apartment which is coming with any view, you can say that. And there will be no common walls into the apartments. All are the individual apartments. And in the terms of amenities, we are coming indoor amenities, clubhouses, and open amenities as well. So here the most center of attraction is the clubhouse is spread into the 7 acre of the area, and in the terms of built up area, around 2 lakh square feet of the clubhouse, which is mother clubhouse, which has all the amenities into this clubhouse. Apart from this clubhouse, we have some basic amenities which can be accessible to the every cluster of the apartment. So that's a very beautiful project, and you need not to worry about the project construction quality. It will done by the L&T, one of the top construction company in the world, and the architecture will be the RSP group. Pricing part will be very attractive. The apartments are going to be start here from 1.4 CR onwards. Let me know. We have the combination of 2 BHK, 2.5, 3.5 and the 4 BHK apartments. So please contact us for the more information. Thank you so much. Stay connected.